Hey kids, so today we are going to discuss some of the doubts which I have received for laws of motion. Okay, so we are going to see some of the examples for laws of motion. Okay, so example number 1. So the question is that there is a boy. So suppose this is the boy. Okay, and the boy runs for 20 minutes. Okay, so time given is 20 minutes. Boy runs for 20 minutes at a uniform speed of 18 kilometer per hour. Okay, and the question is, at what speed should he run? Okay, at what speed should he run for next 40 minutes? Suppose this is T1 and now this is T2 for next 40 minutes, so that the average speed comes to 24 kilometer per hour. Okay, so let this speed which is going to cover for 40 minutes be x kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the initial speed u and this is the final speed v, time 1 and time 2. Okay, so in this question the data given for time is in minutes and speed is in kilometer per hour, so we have to convert this minute to hour. Okay, so let's convert this. So for time 1 it's 20 minutes, so to convert minute to hour, divide by 60. So 2 ones are 2 threes are, so 1 upon 3 hour. Okay, and velocity for this is 18 kilometer per hour. Time 2 is 40 minutes, so in the same manner we will convert minute to hour. So 40 minutes into hour, so divide by 60. How much it will be? 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, 2 by 3 hour, and this velocity let it be x. Done. So chalo, next wala is, what speed is equal to distance upon time, right? Speed equals to distance upon time. So what is distance then? Distance equal to speed into time. Okay, and whenever an object is moving in a straight direction, distance is equal to displacement and speed is equal to velocity, right? Because they are traveling in the same direction, okay, and a straight linear path. Okay, so distance is equal to displacement and therefore speed equals to velocity. So हम लोग इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, displacement equals to velocity into time. एक ही बात है. Done. So चलो, and distance equal to displacement. Okay, so distance covered for this phase will be what? Distance covered will be this velocity into time 1, and second distance will be what? This velocity into time 2, right? So distance 1 will be what? 18 kilometer per hour into time 1. What is time 1? 1 upon 3 hours. So 3 6 are 18. So 6 kilometers distance 1 मिल गया. Distance 2 ऐसे ही निकालेंगे, v के जगह पे आएगा x, and what is t2? t2 is 2 upon 3. So d2 क्या आएगा? 2x upon 3 किलोमीटर. So हमको distance 1 distance 2 मिल गया, right? What is the formula for average velocity? Okay, average velocity का formula क्या है? Okay, average speed और average velocity का formula क्या है? Average velocity equal to sum of the distances, distance 1 upon distance 2 upon time 1 plus time 2. So distance 1 हमको क्या मिला था यहाँ पे? 6 किलोमीटर्स. Distance 2 क्या मिला था? Right? What was time 1? 1/3. What was time 2? 2.3. एंड अब जस्ट कैलकुलेशंस. ओके, सो ये करते हैं हम. कितना आएगा ये? 6 × 3 18. 2x अपॉन 3. डिनोमीटर सेम है तो वी कैन ऐड 1 + 2 अपॉन 3. तो क्या आएगा? 18 + 2x अपॉन 3 एंड यहाँ पे 3/3. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ क्या है? इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ इस एवरेज स्पीड तो दिया हुआ है 24. सो यहाँ पे अपन लिखेंगे 24, राइट. 24 3/3 इज 1. सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 24 = 18 + 2x अपॉन 3. 3 यहाँ पे डिवाइड, गोज दैट साइड, मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, सो कैलकुलेट करो ये. 72 18 = 2x. 72 - 18 = 2x. ये कितना आता है? 54. 54 = 2x. So 54/2 = x. So x = 27 km/h. Okay, it means that the boy in the second part of his journey he should have the velocity of 27 km/h, so that ये दोनों का average 24 हो जाएगा. Okay, so hope you got it.